Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to up your money game, these untold strategies will revolutionize the way you think about wealth. Get ready to unlock the vault of knowledge as we delve into 6 money rules that the rich don't want you to know. So, grab your notepads and let's dive into the treasure trove of financial wisdom that the elite have been keeping under wraps. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Now, who doesn't want a front row seat to financial success? Picture this. You're at the coolest money party in town, and you're the star guest. This golden rule is all about treating yourself like royalty by setting aside a slice of your income for savings and investments even before the bills start knocking. It's like giving yourself a VIP pass to a lifetime of financial growth and rock-solid stability. Those high rollers in the wealth game, they've mastered this secret handshake. So here's the inside scoop on making it work for you. Pick a magic number, a percentage of your earnings that'll pave the way to your money dreams. Then, watch the magic happen by setting up an automatic money transfer straight into your savings and investment accounts. Think of it as your money's secret teleportation to wealth. With this trick up your sleeve, you'll be turning pennies into prosperity without breaking a sweat. So go on, own that red carpet to riches. Rule 2. Build multiple income streams. Imagine this. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. No, you're spreading them out, just like a savvy investor spreads their bets. It's like having a bunch of little money-making minions working for you while you kick back and relax. So, what's the deal? Dabbling in different income sources is like adding extra layers of armor to your financial castle. Whether it's cash rolling in from investments in the stock market, a cozy little nest egg from real estate, or the sweet rewards of your side gig, it's all part of the plan. But here's where it gets juicy. Those in the know don't just rely on a single cash cow, they've got a whole barnyard. Think of it as a puzzle where each piece is a unique skill or passion of yours. You bring them all together and voila, you've got a money-making masterpiece. So, shake things up a bit. Tap into your talents, follow your passions, and put on that entrepreneurial thinking cap. Cook up a business plan or an investment strategy that suits you like a tailored suit. The goal: financial independence that's as stylish as your favorite outfit. Remember, the rich aren't holding onto this golden nugget of wisdom for no reason. It's time to unlock your potential and build those income streams like a pro. Your financial future will thank you later. Rule 3. Mastering the debt game. The savvy strategy that can make a world of difference in your financial journey. We're talking about using debt wisely, and trust me, this is where the big shots really shine. Picture this. You've got good debt and you've got bad debt. Good debt, that's like your golden ticket to growing your wealth. It's those smart investments that have the potential to sprout like crazy. Bad debt? Well, that's the sneaky one. It's those high-interest debts that can really pull you down. But guess what? The rich know exactly how to play this game. They're like financial ninjas, using debt as a tool. They take that debt and channel it into stuff that's destined for growth, like a rocket ready to take off. And here's the cool part, they're not afraid to play the tax game either. Think interest deductions and credits that give them a sweet advantage. So, what's the takeaway for you? First off, be the boss of your debt, not the other way around. Focus on kicking out those high-interest bad boys first. They're just dead weight. And when it comes to new debt, tread lightly. Only take it on if it's got a solid game plan behind it. You're the captain of your financial ship after all. Let's keep it smooth sailing. Rule 4. Minimize taxes legally. So, we're talking taxes. Yeah, those things that can seriously put a dent in your dreams of building wealth. But guess what? There's a legit way to lighten that load. It's called tax planning, and it's a VIP pass to maximizing what you keep. Now, here's the deal. Tax avoidance, totally legal. Tax evasion, not so much. That's like walking on thin ice with your financial future. We're all about staying on the right side of the law while making our money dance in our favor. Picture this. You've got these cool strategies up your sleeve, just like the big shots. Ever heard of IRAs, 400 and Onex, and HSAs? Yep, they're like the superhero costumes of the finance world, helping you slash your tax bill like a pro. And let's not forget the art of turning capital gains into a financial masterpiece. It's like watching your money grow without giving Uncle Sam a bigger slice. Plus, there's the heartwarming bonus of charitable giving. Not only are you making a difference, but you're also scoring some deductions that put a grin on your wallet's face. But hey, we get it. Navigating this tax maze can be a tad tricky. That's why having a chat with a tax pro is like getting a map to hidden treasure. They'll help you figure out the moves that fit your unique situation, so you can keep more of what's rightfully yours. Stay in the know about tax laws, my friend. That's your ticket to turning the tables and keeping those tax dollars where they belong, right in your pocket. So remember, when it comes to taxes, let's play it smart, not risky. Your future self will totally thank you for it. Rule 5. Continuously invest in yourself. Imagine this. You're in this epic journey of becoming a money maestro. And guess what? It's not just about what's in your wallet, but what's in your noggin too. The super rich? They've got this whole investing in themselves thing down to an art. Picture this. They're like students of life, always learning, growing, and keeping up with the times. Formal education? Check. Professional certifications? Double check. But hold on to your hats, because it doesn't stop there. These savvy folks are all about soaking up knowledge like a sponge. They're hitting the books, diving into seminars, and rubbing shoulders with like-minded power players. Think of it as turbocharging your brain power and skills, so you're always on top of your game in the job jungle. And here's where it gets even cooler. They're not just dreaming big, they're planning big. Setting goals for personal growth? Oh, absolutely. It's like creating your very own superhero origin story, but instead of super strength, you're gaining super skills. So, listen up. It's time to put yourself on the VIP list. Carve out time to learn, explore, and evolve. Because when you invest in yourself, you're basically putting a down payment on your own success story. And that, my friends, is a secret worth sharing. Rule 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Here's a game-changing nugget. The people you surround yourself with have a massive impact on your money outlook. Think of it as your financial vibe tribe. Imagine tapping into a goldmine of insights, both triumphs and slip-ups, just by connecting with folks who've been there, done that. The wealthy are wizards at this. They're like magnets for smart connections. They plug into pro groups, pop by powerhouse events, and dive into think tank crews and mentor magic. But guess what? You can conjure your own crew of financial champions too. Picture this, you stepping into the spotlight at industry bashes, workshops that beam with wisdom, and networking galas that practically hum with opportunity. Oh, and let's not forget about the online wonderland. There are treasure troves of forums and social squads buzzing with finance and investment genius. Plus, you've got a VIP pass to link up with the creme de la creme in your field or whatever sets your soul on fire. From prioritizing your savings, diversifying income, and smart debt usage to legally reducing taxes, self-investment, and positive social circles, these steps pave your way to the wealth you seek. Just remember, ongoing learning and flexibility are key. Keep growing, adopt fresh strategies, and pave your path to lasting financial abundance and security. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more eye-opening content.